Today I am on a mission to get my roasted pig. And my birthday is tomorrow. I share it with Bob Marley. And gonna have a pig. Dunupuaka. So I'm looking forward to it. Take you guys on a little mission with me to the property that I have is right across from where I'm going to get the pig. So let's go on a little journey together through Nuku Nuku to the mangrove by the Tahi and the lagoon. And let's see if I could get there within hopefully 20 minutes or less. Make a straight A-line straight to it. Hopefully it doesn't pour on me. It's been raining all day. As you can see, puddle after puddle. I'll definitely be dealing with dogs, so that's why I got the walking stick. Stay put or get hurt, one or the other. But yes, looking forward to it. It's been really rainy. I haven't been able to get out and do much material and do much recording, but definitely gonna walk down to my cousin's property and go check out this pig. So definitely gonna go to the I gotta go down this street, deal with pigs, chickens, and dogs. So wish me luck. I don't have to ward and fight anything off. As you can see, there's pigs already on the block. And I gotta take this 15-minute walk or so down to the pig farm, the Abuaka that my cousin has. But the good thing is it's right next to all the chickens. Pigs running around freely. Roosters running around freely. I made sure I brought a flashlight this time because it's definitely dark, very dark. And I might even, when I develop my property, I might even have a truck come with gravel where I can fill these potholes that are right here, like that. And make sure that I can not tear tires up on the way through, like these big potholes here. Fill them in. Hopefully they'll last a short time, 6 months, before you gotta fill them or bring some more gravel, and fill them. Look at the pig. Definitely wild pig. Look at these berries and the May breadfruit. Another breadfruit. Another pig walking through wildly. This, I definitely, wow, those big boy pigs back there. Yeah. I'm gonna invest in some solar panel floodlights, motion sensor floodlights, so that way coming through here at night, as long as you're passing through, put one on every other pole or something. Definitely fill in these potholes. Definitely a lot of greenery. A lot of greenery. I love the greenery. And you can't beat it. Arizona, you hardly see any of this greenery. So when you actually come here, run across this, wow, there's a pot back there, or a rim for a tire, one or the other. Believe it or not, behind these brush and trees is actually open spaces where the pigs roam and eat. And then you got the tupa, the little crabs that come through here, the paca. They usually will be in those little pond areas on the side. The other day I came through and it was resting, sunbathing, and then ran across the road into the water. Somebody's trying to call. Always, always. Can't see. I didn't turn the brightness on the phone, so I can't really see who it is. But let me get through this walk. As you can see, people do come through here. And in the back out, that's open back there. But let me ski-daddle down this road. Definitely got to fill these potholes for a comfortable ride for my patrons that come and stay at my Airbnb. I know there's a property coming up soon that has some dogs. This is where the sheep farm and it used to be a duck farm over here. Yep. My uncle was telling me to clear some of the side brush, that if he was to clear it like that over there, you'd actually get more of a straight shot. Of being able to see down to the end there. But I already know I'm gonna have to put floodlights so that people can actually feel safe coming down to my property. TONGA Agro Co-op. Should be able to get there within 5 minutes, hopefully, less than that. Should be a dog running out anytime soon. Yep, figure. As long as he don't come out, I'm good. There's sheep back there. If you look, there's sheep all in here. Gotta watch where I'm walking while I'm filming. Oh, there's a beautiful horse there. Big, healthy looking horse. Chickens, goats, sheep. Used to be goats back here as well. We'll see. That's crazy, a horse just standing still like that. Walking through here at night is no joke. If you had no flashlight, you'd swear that you're being followed by Sasquatch up in here. I just heard a baka jump in the water. Wow, this is really flooded out along this road. I have to do everything I can to stay out of the mud. Oh man, there is no way to not get in the water over here. It's like a running stream. Damn it, and I got socks on. Give me a sec, I'm gonna take my socks off. So that way I just have my Crocs on and not soak my feet up. Although standing still allows the mosquitoes to start attacking. That's one sock off. But there is definitely running water from somewhere, maybe a broken pipe or something. But there is water running. I could hear the flow. All right. I'm gonna go through the middle the best I can. But definitely something is flowing there. Coming from over here. Oh, now you hear my Crocs squeaking. Definitely is a mission to come through here in the nighttime. Definitely a mission in the dark. Scary too. Almost feels like you're being watched at some points. Let me pull my pants up. Alright. I'll walk through these puddles. Let's see. It's been 11 minutes of walking from my house so far to here. Shouldn't have no more than 4 or 5 more minutes of walking, hopefully. And that'll be done. And take me all the way to the end of this road to my property. I'll probably trim all this grass down, bring a truck and have them drive through here as I have workers dumping gravel out of the truck to fill these potholes and level things out so that way this water runs off away as best as possible. But yeah, I'm almost at the end. Not too much more walking through these puddles, hopefully. Pull my pants up again. Definitely my Crocs are squeaking. They're hollering, what are you doing? Why are you taking us over here? But I'm on a mission to get a pig for my birthday tomorrow. Be my 54th birthday and Bob Marley's birthday as well. So those of you that are Marley fans, blow one for him. and celebrate with him. I'm sure he'd appreciate it in his name. All right, I'm almost getting there. And then my cousin's property is right up here to the left. My property is to the right. All right. Try to stay balanced and get through this mud water. Keppa! Oh, go ahead. I'm here. Wow, this is a big puddle right here. All right. So, Fefe, Benny. Fefe, come and see. Whew. Nice little walk. You got to keep them at bay. Let me do a quick walkthrough over here. So, this stake right here is the property line.
So yours is directly on the other side of the road.
And it's going to be right here directly heading in. That's the tree. And all the coconuts trees, they're going to have to come, a lot of them got to come down. Maybe all the ones that are high up there will all come down. And we'll trim that big one there and any big ones just for shade. But the bulldozer will make a clean job of this real quick. So that's the next thing we'll be doing. I'm not going to walk up in here, but property goes back probably 1/3 of an acre. How you doing, Keppa? Long day?
Yeah.
Hi, Benny.
Didn't work today, but we all drove around, got some errand done, and come home ready to
A little tough guy. Look at him giving me the rock, the rock guy. All right. He's like, I want to hold the knife. I'm a big boy. Well, let's go take a look over here. Come on, Benny. Got to keep these dogs at bay with a stick behind me. All right. Little man got the right gear. He got the boots. He got the boots on. What's the matter?
See that right there? There's a male one on the road. I think it's that white one with the whiter strap. What are they, a male?
Let me see. Let me try to.
Standing right there. Those two, I think there's 3 of them, but 2 left. It's a female and a male.
Those 2 here.
Yeah. Those I let go for like $450, $500.
Oh yeah, that's a good size too.
Yeah, it's pretty good size. It's still cheap.
Yeah, because they're a little bigger than roasters. They're for breeding, right?
Yeah.
For getting breeding.
And them are bigger than the roast. But those are the roasts we do with the steak.
Right.
And maybe down a little bit, you know.
A little smaller, yeah. Not too much bigger.
Those
than
are $450. I give it to you for $450. Everybody walking around right there, you see, those are $200. You can't get no fucking wear $200. Just
Right.
like that. Just
Really?
like that. See, there's a new
litter right there, huh?
yeah, nobody sell them for $100 unless you're taking them for breed.
Right.
Race them.
Right. The little ones.
Yeah. Even I don't do 100. I'm losing my money. I'd rather just
Right. Keep them and let them
keep
go.
them for a couple of months and I sell them for 300.
Right. Exactly. Exactly. When they're nice and roastable
There
size.
ain't no such thing as 100 no more.
No shit.
Unless that's your buddy just gave
Exactly.
you a case of beer. You know, give me a case of beer. Fuck it, here. Go.
Exactly. Yeah, 'cause I kept asking my uncle about it, Lottie, and he was like,
Yeah, it's going through
a friend.
They're all pregnant right now. if I had like fucking
Ooh-wee.
eight cell having baby all right now, yeah, you'll get a deal. But other than that, no, I work too hard for that shit, Terry. You already know.
Exactly. Every day you got to sit here and make
Yeah.
sure these suckers are
And when I
fed.
go get these coconut, if I don't go get them, I pay the boys to go get it and
Right.
pay diesel for their truck or whatever. you
Right.
know? I don't play that.
These are nice. Yeah, you got a nice setup over here. And I was supposed to have this type of deal going, but that never went through. So,
What do you mean this type of deal?
trying to do an apwaka a while back. I wanted to start my own, but yeah, those are roaster size.
Yeah.
Those ones there.
Any one of those you go to the China, they give you maybe the little fat like that one there. It's the same patch.
Right, right. Oh yeah, yeah, they're all
Yeah.
about the same size there.
And they call tell you, you know what, 350. I'm the only one here is 2. So I'll give you that 2 for the people that I know, but even the people I know, they're not with me every day. You know, I'm the one that's gonna go get the shit.
Yeah, you got to sit here and do all the labor work, you know.
Make
And this
sure
ain't no
they-
joke. This ain't no
Make sure they
kids
get fed
play.
every day and you know, taking care of them.
Sigo tamasi, os poto behe tamasi. Iyo. Poto he tamasi.
Ven, faz out the dig off. Faz out the dig off. You're gonna get rainy in a minute.
Yep.
So let it get hot with it. Give it a knife. Like we for you.
So you got a trap for them, or you gonna shoot one?
Do you want one of those size?
Yeah, like
I
this.
already told one of those. Those 2.
Those are the 2, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
See that? I had to shoot them. So they'll be bigger than those.
Right.
But these I can catch them easy. I think you'd rather have that.
Yeah. Then the smaller one, or what? What do you
Huh?
mean? Then them other babies?
Yeah,
you
that
mean?
was a different baby. That one over there, way out
Right,
there.
right, right.
She's bigger than those.
Exactly. Yep, yep. Heck yeah.
These right here, these are the 2. You just catch fat as one.
I'll leave that up to you catching them, but yeah,
Yeah.
I got you covered on that.
Okay.
Man, as soon
I'm
as-
just make sure you're happy, you know.
Oh yeah, no, I
I
appreciate
know
it.
you drove around and see what you see. I'm not telling you no bullshit. This is what's going on over here.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
People
I've
come to
I've been
me.
even checked what do you call that?
At those size, I gave them for 2, right? At the China is like 350. You know, I'm looking at
Right.
them. You know, let them fucking.
Well, at
bump me
least
off
this
the-
one sniffed me and didn't bite me.
Yeah, China 350.
Yeah, these are nice size right here. Even like this black ones, these ones coming through. Oh yeah.
Brown was a little longer, but they all the same. They all got fat and they're tender.
Yes, yes, the sucklings.
Yeah.
Sucklings still.
Yeah, these guys are friendly.
Definitely here to grab one for my birthday.
Okay, let me grab
And,
the bag. You want to just wait till T get here to help me, or you want to do it right now?
Or if you're just gonna wrap it alive in the bag, leave it in.
And leave it in here?
Yeah, leave it in the bag. I'll walk it home later. I'll walk it on my way out.
Stop feeding him. You and Vinny gonna have to stay over there.
Right, right. Vinny, how
I'm
tamasi?
gonna have to crack some coconuts.
How Vinny?
I'll get more Terry on them. We have my beer. Make sure my phone is put up over there.
Right.
You can set up over here if you want. Your phone's gonna be all right in the rain. It's
Yeah, it's waterproof.
Waterproof. You could actually swim with it up to 3 meters or something like that, or a meter or something like that.
iPhone.
No, this is the Galaxy S23.
Oh, you not an iPhone fan.
No, I don't like iPhone, man.
You
It's
like
too
the
hard.
Apple?
Yeah, I like Android.
Different boats, different stuff.
Let me see. Uncle's always hard at work, man. Or my cousin. We call him Uncle because he's older. They're always respectful. Even if you were in Hawaii, it would be Uncle. Give me 5. All right, Vienny. And it is starting to rain, so no worries. I'm just gonna maybe get in the mud over here and just stay under cover. slipping and falling. Record some pigs. And you said how much? Those ones? This is the ones you were talking about. Those two right there, right?
Yeah, if I'm gonna go to like people coming from like really tell you anybody?
400 easy, 4 something,
No.
5
They were $700 pigs, 800.
for the back
that'll
two.
That'll feed a whole feast at like places like Halahihifo, Katea Retreat. Yeah.
Oh yeah. If
One
they
of
had the
those,
buffet,
They
yes.
had the buffet. You know,
Yes,
they make
that's
their
it.
money back.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but I don't. It's the same to everyone. You know.
No worries. I'm just glad that I'm
Yeah.
able to come and make it an easy access.
But remember, this is a free range pig.
Yes.
You know, they're not like 1 inch stat. If you want 1 inch stat, I got other sow that have that. You know.
Right.
But this guy, he like to eat and run. You know, they're like act like a free range pig.
Yeah. And then they go to the bush.
They don't want to be patting. They want to see stranger and take off.
Right.
Yeah, those kind of guys. They nice and lean. You know, they got a little fat in them.
Oh yeah, I see
But they're
them.
lean.
And it's definitely got a
I got
nice
people-
pig farm here, man.
Yeah, different type of like. I know every pig's here with their attitude, the way they comes, and you know,
Which ones you can approach, which ones don't want to be approached, right?
and each one of them they have their own name.
Definitely. I'm
I want
happy.
to keep cutting coconut because this rain.
Right.
I don't think it's gonna stop. It's been like that all day.
Yeah, it's been pouring all freaking
Stop
day.
wrecking.
I was surprised that I got the break in the rain coming here.
Oh yeah, when we got to mile 5, I seen the break and I said, oh shit, we're gonna pick up cherry. We pick up a hitchhiker. What you doing in the rain? She goes, but there's a cruiser. I mean, there's a cruise boat in the harbor.
Oh, okay.
I'll take it off. She looks like from the States. She goes, anywhere but here. I said, what? Get in. What's going on?
Anywhere but here. Get me out of the rain, huh?
Old boy know her. I guess she's from Indiana.
Okay. Damn, I got my grandchildren were in Indianapolis, Indiana for a while. And then they moved to Michigan.
DDs.
He got some beautiful dogs here, man. I like how healthy his dogs are here. Like these dogs here. Handsome, good looking dogs. Healthy. What the heck was he? And all these are still suckling pigs. That's one of the pigs I'll be getting is a suckling pig. It's still on mommy's teat.